because I want to enrich her life. I want to make her life more enriching, but I also want to build that communication pathway. I want to be able to build a better relationship with her. Now, some people, though, train birds simply and solely for the purpose of entertaining and showing off to family and friends. And sure, the fact that the tricks are really cool, the fact that you can show them off, that's always a plus of training, but that's exactly what I view it as, a plus in training. But it should never be your sole and main reason for training. So keep that in mind. We train birds because we want to improve the quality of life, and because of that, you want to socialize your bird, you want to desensitize them by gradually introducing them to new people, new surroundings, new objects. But the most important part is every single time you do that, you always have to move at the bird's pace and always reward them for acting calmly and being calm in the presence of new people, new objects, or new surroundings. Smokes, want to get up? Alright guys, well, if this video proves to be helpful to you, go ahead and like below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get updates whenever new videos are posted. And I'll see you guys next time.
Smokey, perch.
Wait.